Okay guys, it's the next day. It's morning. I just woke up. Gary's taking a pee. Let's not film that. I'm gonna let the goats out today. First we're gonna deal with the chickies. The chickies need to be released into the wild. There's baby Gary. He's so handsome. He's such a cute boy with his little feet. Yeah, little white feet. Huh? Hopefully I'll let the goats out. And then they stay where they're supposed to be, which is in the pen that we just spent 2 days working on. Right, baby Gary? Right? Hello. Good morning. Hello. You wanna go outside? We're going outside. No, it's not that outside. Okay. You have water. Quite a bit of hay. Just need some food. Yay! The great outdoors. We get to go outside now. What do you think? Give you some green. Oh, Gary's having a heart attack. Feed you some grain and should be good to go. My bucket's so low. Some breakfast? Yeah. I'm gonna stop the video and feed them breakfast because I need to concentrate. Okay, these guys are eating breakfast and that's it. That's it for farm chores this morning. I try to do a lot of mine at night so I can sleep in. It's called lazy farming. There's baby Gary. Okay. So I actually leave this pass-through open because goats don't like the rain, and it rains a lot here in British Columbia. Gary's like shaking and huffing and puffing. I don't know what his thing is. What is your problem? Eh? I don't understand what you're doing. Are you so excited for the goats that you're huffing and puffing? Are you gonna have a heart attack? Please don't. I can't afford that again. Anyways, I'm going to leave this pass-through open so that they have a shelter for when it starts to rain because we don't have one outside yet. And yeah, this is a perfect stall for that. They can go do their thing in the pen. Yeah. I think they're gonna have fun today. Hopefully they stay contained because that's the ideal, right? Come on, let's go. You can see them on the other side. Come on. Gary, come on. Let's go. Dog now, I'm telling you, he's so excited. Okay, it's the evening. We just finished dinner. And this is the chicken brooder. These are the chickens. And as you can see, they're getting big, they're getting fluffy, and they stink. They're currently in my office. I want them out. So I'm going to take them out to the barn. You're going outside tonight, guys. Not out, actually outside. I'm moving the brooder into a room in our barn, and I'm going to set up the heat lamp. I think these guys are probably... These bigger ones are 6 weeks, and the yellow ones back there that are smaller are probably 4 weeks old. It is time. Stinky. Okay, so I am about to, we have a chicken at large. I am about to bribe her with some lovely wrinkly tomatoes that my lovely coworker gave me. And we're gonna bribe this chicken into going back in with her friend. She likes to escape so she can lay her eggs in a very specific spot. Okay, go back in. Yeah, you go back in. I didn't have to bribe her after all. Oh, the goats are yelling at me. You guys want some tomatoes? Give me a minute. Give me a minute. There you go. They love tomatoes. Can you tell? Oh no, April, you didn't get one. Oh, she got it. They're fighting over it. I normally bring my... You guys just gonna yell at me? Chaos. Hi! Did you have a good day outside? Hey? We're gonna look for eggs. I usually bring my, Gary, shut up! I usually bring my little Easter basket with me. But I didn't this time. Okay, so we've got 2 eggs here. That's unusual. 2 blue eggs. And nothing but chicken turds up here. I have to give them water. I have to fill up their food. What on earth are you doing? Huh? And then they have another spot in here in a U-Haul box that nobody's laid eggs in today. So no eggs there. 2 in the barn, and then this one likes to lay her eggs out in the open. I should grab that container. I don't have any more tomatoes, guys. Sorry. You ate them all. I'll just chuck that over there, pick it up later. Stay there. Grab that later. April likes to escape and lay her little eggies. I don't know if you can see it. You might be able to. She likes to lay her eggs under this wood pile. Ah, nice blue egg. Okay. So we've collected the eggs for today. 3 eggs, and that's it. 6 chickens, 3 eggs. What the hell, guys? Egg a day. Got rent to pay.